Good morning. I know that usually we have math with Mr. Paden, but this says breakfast with Mr. Paden. I have something I want to show you. When Mrs. Paden and I went to Meyer this weekend, I saw something and I just had to have it. Here's the name of the store, Meyer, if you want to write it. I saw it and I saw that it had a special sale price. It said I could buy two of them for $5. The dollar sign is kind of neat. It's like the letter S with a line through it. And this fruit is called a pomegranate. Let me write down that word pomegranate. Pomegr. Let me double check. I would hate to be embarrassing on this video. Granate. Mrs. Payton said, "Oh, that's kind of an ugly fruit. Are you sure you want to eat that? What's even inside of it? Do you eat the skin like an apple?" Let me show you how you do this. This pomegranate had a sticker on it that said it was from California. California is on the west coast of the United States. Our part of the United States is called the Midwest because it's in like the middle of the country. On the inside of the pomegranate, there are all of these seeds. The seeds are the part that I'm going to eat. You can pop a few out like this and write it in your mouth like a berry or a grape. Yum. She said, "Oh, isn't that a lot of work? With an apple, you can just bite it. With a bag of chips, you can just open it up and you're all done. But to me, this is absolutely worth it." Breakfast with Mr. Payton. And if I'm having breakfast, I'm absolutely having a coffee. Let's get down to math. Here we go. Our first tops card says, how many bees and ants are there in all? Ooh, are you hungry to get tricked? Does that sound good to you? Because this tops card is trying to trick you. It says how many bees and ants, and it shows us ladybugs and bees and ants. Ooh, we don't want that. If you would like to pause to figure out what's important here, you can. I'm going to go ahead with my first step. So for my bees, I'm going to use algebra, and I'm going to write the letter B. That's the first letter in the word bees. Then because it says that phrase, how many are there in all, that means all together, that means combined, that means added up. I'll use my plus sign. Here is an ant. The first letter in ant is A. Our algebra number sentence needs to be B plus A equals. If you've got that number sentence without my help, I'm going to do a little clap for you. If you waited for me to do the hard work, that's clever also. How many bees are there? I see on my chart 3. How many ants are there? I see on my chart 5. Ladybugs, is that important right now? Not today, Mrs. Ladybug. I'm going to ignore you. B plus A equals 3 plus 5 equals. I'll draw my picture. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Just like how I double checked how to spell pomegranate, I'm going to double check my math. 3, 1, 2, 3. Good. 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good. Because I've got plus, I'm going to add them all up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Ooh, there's our answer. We have 8. We are counting bugs here. Let's write down that word bugs. Your final answer should be 8 bugs. There's that. There's my answer. I hope my answer matches your answer. Please erase. Just before I press the button to film this video, I got a little message from my sister. She sent me a video of her telling a ridiculous joke. I think that I like my video of us doing math. I think I like that even better. Hi, Sarah, if you're watching it. My lucky number is 3 more than 6. My lucky number is blank. Okay, straightforward. We have to figure out Mr. Rabbit's lucky number. It's 3 more than 6. So I'm going to start with 6. And then I'm going to count up 3 more. That means I'm doing more means adding. 6 plus 3 equals. I want every single person to pause my video, draw the answer. Here is the number 6. How many circles should you draw? Here's the number 3. How many circles should you draw? Then you are using this plus sign. You're using addition. You're adding them all up. Smush those bad boys together. 6 plus 3 equals. Four, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. His lucky number must be 9. I don't want to leave it just like this, so I'm going to try to sentence to answer the question. My lucky number is blank. I'll write down his number is 9. His was a sight word a few weeks ago. It's H I S. Number is going to be a sight word in a few weeks. It goes N U M B E R. Next is our word is. Is I-S. And then number 9, period at the end. Thank you very much. If you see that fruit at the store, give it a try. Have a good day.